In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how can you reset Fifth Third Bank password. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser and navigate to the website Fifth Third Bank. Once you're over here, click on the option login, or also you can launch your app and then navigate to the login page. Once you're over here, what you have to do is click on the option forget login. Now you will be directed to this page. To reset your login, you'll need to fill out these. Type in your last name, then type in your social security number, SSN, type in the zip code, then type in the account or card number. Once you fill out these, click on next. Once you verify your identity, you will be prompted to enter the password. Type in that and confirm it. With that, your new password for your account will be updated. So this way you can easily reset Fifth Third Bank password. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.